Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to cut out an image in Photos app on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So, let's begin. And first, open up Photos app and then you can go through all of your photos and then just hit on some picture to open it up, and now you can cut out an object from that picture. Just hold down on that object, its kind of flash effect appears on the object, and now you can hit at copy to copy the object to the clipboard. So now the object has been copied and I can close Photos app and open up any other app where I can paste it. It could be Messenger app or Notes app or whatever. Let me show you how it works on Notes app. So I'll just open up Notes, hit at that icon to create new one, and now I can double tap at text field and hit on paste to paste that object to the note. In the same way, I can open up any messenger. I'll just open up WhatsApp. I can now open up any conversation. There I can tap at text field twice, hit on paste. To paste that object here, I can also add there a caption, and then I can just hit at the send button to send this picture to the recipient. Write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that, and do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Also, check out my iPhone playlist where you will find a lot of other iPhone tutorials. See you in the next one.